Good morning and welcome to MarineMax. My name is Chris Honig and today I'm going to be showing you the 2019 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. The 13 Super Sport was completely redesigned in 2019 and today we have one of our Super Sports in a glacier green hull. Some of the new features on the 13 Super Sport include a lockable water resistant storage compartment in the console to store all your valuables. And on the aft of the boat we have two swim platforms with a ladder. On this boat we've also outfitted the swim platforms with a synthetic teak decking. We also have a Mercury 40 horsepower 4-stroke engine to get you anywhere you need to do and enjoy all your water sports activities. This boat is remarkably low maintenance and easy to operate. It's one of the most user-friendly, reliable, and stylish skiffs on the market. If you'd like to see this boat or any others, again, my name is Chris Honig, and please give me a call at 910-617-3646. Thanks and have a great day.